Hey you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. If you are new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video, I will be showing you how I use Fenty hair products on my hair to achieve this hairstyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned and watch the full video. And before we get started, please like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff because it's free to subscribe. So go ahead and show me some love, hit the thumbs up, and also drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of the video.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just tweak your body, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
y'all like my hair. Do you like? Drop that in the comments and let me know if you like my hair. Let me know if y'all would have did anything different. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And I'm gonna go ahead and thank y'all for watching. Until next time, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.